Hi, today I want to share with you a really simple breathing technique that will help you to feel calmer and clearer and more relaxed, less tense in just a minute or two. And it's especially good if you've been rushing around, your mind's like really churning over, you've got a million things on the to-do list. This is just about taking like 2, 3 minutes for you, carving that time out to just stop and breathe. And it's one of the techniques that I'm going to be taking you through more deeply in my upcoming Calm and Clear online workshop next Tuesday, where we'll be using different breathwork techniques, somatic practices, and mindfulness techniques to really help ease stress, calm the mind, and to reconnect you with a deeper sense of inner balance, a deeper sense of connection with yourself. So, this is called the physiological sigh, or you might remember it better as the sniffing breath. So I'll just talk you through it and then I'll take you through just a demonstration. So we start with taking a deep inhalation through the nose, and you're expanding through the belly, through the ribs, and up to the collarbones on the inhalation. And at the top of your inhalation, you take an extra little sip of air through the nose. And on your exhalation, you just let everything go. And you can softly sigh as you're exhaling. So it looks like this. And we would do that 3 times as one round. And then you check in and just see how you're doing. So if you want to do it with me, let's do one round of 3 breaths. So taking a nice full deep inhalation to the belly, through the ribs, up to the collarbones. And then sniff at the top. And repeat that again. Inhale through the nose. Little top up breath. Exhale through the mouth, sighing. And one last time, inhaling. Top up. Exhale. And then you just check in. So close your eyes and just feel how your body feels. You might maybe feel a little bit softer, a little bit more spacious inside. Just notice how you feel. Maybe you want to try that a few more times and just keep checking in. This is known to be one of the most powerful ways of resetting your nervous system and calming yourself when you're in a stress response. So if you'd like more practices like this to quiet your mind and reduce stress, reconnect with yourself, join me for Calm and Clear online workshop next Tuesday, and I will leave a link to that in the comments below.